with love and passion. Smile baby, this dance for you. Meet other side. Hey. May the Almighty God make you for me. Hello Northeast people, Arunachal Pradesh, peace from Africa. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and we are back with another new reaction. So previously I reacted to one Galo song, Galo Mopin song, guys, by the title Apuk Hey, and so many people love that song of Galo, and they recommended or suggested me few of the songs. So today we keep continuing for Galo people and the Galo tribe, guys. So today we have Akena No official music video, Remi Remi Lenzing. That is from Lenzing Doming, guys. Arunachali song, guys. Hope you will love this song. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Stay tuned. If you're watching out, stay tuned and keep suggesting other songs that I can check out. I usually do reaction and vlogs mostly to the Northeast people, guys. So if you're watching from Northeast, it doesn't matter whether you're watching from Arunachal Pradesh, from Meghalaya, from Naga, from Mizo, Tripura. I love you all, guys, for all the support. We have 100K family, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, and share this video. Let's go. Akena No. Let's go, Galo people. All comment down, Galo, Galo. We have English subtitle also, guys. The song is available also in Spotify. Amazing. Beautiful faces. This is Galo people. On the other side, beautiful breeze. Under the mountain, hey, I love the beat. Let's dance. This beat needs someone to be dancing. On the other side of the river, beautiful this evening. I want to miss all the dreams. Under the moonlight, for kissing for you. The smile on your face. Oh, so joyous and so beautiful. Let's dance. Journey with love and passion. Smile baby, this dance for you. Meet other side. May the Almighty God make you for me. Make you for me. Hey. Rutulape. Hey. May God make you for me. The God made me for you. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. This is so meaningful. should one please understand. Hey. Wow, see the beautiful smile. Amazing, amazing. That's a very good director, guys. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. So I wasn't aware that there is a tribe with amazing, amazing cultural traditional attires like this. Oh, Galo people, now I started to love your songs, and I love this song, guys. The song is so hype, and it was so meaningful because both English subtitle and also the local language was provided, guys, and it was so meaningful. A lovely love song between these two amazing, we can say amazing actors. Yeah, they all look amazing. The whole team looks so beautiful, and I just love that lyric that maybe that part he said that maybe God has made me and you together, made me for you. Okay, that was really so amazing, and I just can't believe that. Oh my gosh, but the Northeast has a lot of tribe, guys. This is idea. Wow, I don't know what to say, but I just love. I love the beauty of their culture, the tradition, and those people. Oh my God, people look so beautiful, and it is not only about the traditional dress, like the nature itself, the beauty of the people. Oh my gosh, Galo people, wow, 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 love from Africa, guys. I love this song. I understood the full song because it was all translated, guys. Thank you for suggesting this amazing. It also made me to dance, guys, because I love the beat. This beat is so nice, guys. And keep suggesting, guys. We'll keep reacting. Love from Africa. See you next time. Yo, peace out.